Are you looking to streamline your vendor management process? In this quick guide, we'll show you how to use Salesforce for vendor management, helping you build stronger relationships, track performance, and optimize your operations with ease. You can try Salesforce completely free using the first link below, and you'll even get exclusive bonuses, so stick around to learn more about that. The first thing you'll want to do when using Salesforce for vendor management is set up your vendors as accounts. Salesforce allows you to track detailed information about each vendor, including their contact details, business history, and any agreements or terms you've established. By centralizing this data in Salesforce, you get a 360-degree view of each vendor at any time. Next thing, let's talk about using custom fields. Salesforce gives you the flexibility to tailor the system to your specific needs by creating custom fields to capture the information most relevant to your vendor relationships. This could be anything from performance metrics, delivery schedules, contract details, or payment terms. Custom fields make it easy to ensure you're tracking everything that matters. The third thing Salesforce does well is automation. By automating tasks like follow-up emails, invoice reminders, or even vendor performance reviews, you free up your time and reduce the risk of human error. Automation in Salesforce can trigger actions based on predefined criteria, so you'll never miss a deadline or key communication again. Now, let's dive into reporting. Salesforce's powerful reporting tools allow you to analyze vendor performance at a glance. You can create custom reports to assess factors like delivery timeliness, quality of service, or cost efficiency. With these insights, you can make data-driven decisions to improve vendor relationships or find alternatives if necessary. The fifth thing is collaboration. Salesforce includes a feature called Chatter, which allows your team to communicate within the platform, share documents, and track vendor-related discussions in real time. This keeps everyone on the same page and reduces the risk of miscommunication across departments. Finally, let's talk about managing contracts and agreements. With Salesforce, you can attach documents to your vendor accounts, so all your contracts and agreements are stored in one place. You can even set alerts for contract renewals or expiration dates, ensuring you never miss an important deadline. As we wrap up, remember that Salesforce is a robust tool for vendor management, but it can be even more powerful with our exclusive bonuses. You can start using Salesforce completely free from the first link below, and you'll get access to an extended free trial. If you're serious about streamlining your vendor management and improving your operations, give Salesforce a try today.